I can't remember the first job I did, but I know it's just like a aha moment. Like, okay, I should have got this a lot earlier because this saves me so much time. I've always wanted a CNC. Budget, space, electrical needs. There's so much that goes into that. You could talk about 60 grand for a big CNC. And to me, this makes more sense because I'm not a production shop. So right away from the get-go, I knew it was going to be something where I could spit those templates out and make jigs very efficiently. Having an Origin has dramatically changed the workflow because I'm no longer having to spend all that time and using multiple ways to make a very simple jig. By streamlining that process is absolutely huge. And straight away, I saw the application for the type of work I do. Of course, it does a lot more than just templates, but even if I were to only use it for templates, absolutely, because it's such a time saver. And then, I just put it back in the box and it sits on the shelf. It takes up no room.